corner's a little hard. Try to push in the radio. All right, now we're going to try it. Here, click. Now, I don't know if that did anything. Sometimes what happens is that there's little, when you push in the keys, they retract things that hold in the radio. I'll show you when I pull them out. And what ends up happening is that if they get stuck in the outward position, sometimes they get stuck on this part. So you have to push the radio in to release it. Now, this one, what you got to do is you have to turn on the radio, hit open. Now, quickly, you're going to see it in here. Turn off that knob. Should have checked for that before. Now, you're going to pull this out. All right, nice little on each side. And then you're going to push on the side to release this key. Get this one out of here first. Most likely, you'll not run into a problem. But if the key goes in sideways, or let's say this is crooked, the key might get stuck there and mark everything up. So you want to always make sure we do that. So at this point, we're going to turn this off. All right. I'll show you on this side. Also, one thing you want to do before you even start this is hit eject. Make sure there's no... take out the navigation DVD out of here first before you start. So now we're over here. I'm going to show you. You see this little tab? We're going to push in here. All right, and then that's going to release. So what happens when you put in the key grabs onto that tab. You see how it pushes it back? Are we out far enough? I don't think we're out far enough. All right, so you see how it pushes it in? And that's what holds it in. All right, the problem is that these locking mechanisms are not the best, so every once in a while, what ends up happening is that it goes over it. So that's why we give them a little bend to help. All right, so now we get over here. Now, everyone always asks me this. So, well, first of all, when you get over here, make sure you grab this cable. Sometimes what happens is if it gets stuck on something and you don't grab it, it might break it off. So we're going to start over here. This is the AM/FM antenna adapter. You're going to push down on that and wiggle out. All right. And then just going to grab a little bit more of this wire. All right. Now I'm going to cover this over here. Now over here you have a GPS antenna adapter. Push that down. That goes out like so. Okay. Now over here is a quad light. This is the main connector. Push that. You kind of push this down and up at the same time, and then pull out. Oops. Looks like the radio must have turned itself on by itself. All right. So the way this connector works is that you kind of squeeze these two together, and it comes out. You see these little levers here. It pushes out. Now here's the back of the radio. Breaker connector, AM/FM, GPS, and this is an aux input / backup camera input. Now, if you have this input, this is for backup camera. It's really hard to do a backup camera. If you guys have this car, we have a bunch of Bluetooth adapters, USB adapters, iPhone adapters. We also have a whole video shows you how to replace the radio. I'll try to link them to the end of this video. So we got a lot of cool stuff for this car. If you're a shop, do wholesale accounts. If you're a customer, we sell, we install. We also ship worldwide. My name is Christian. Thank you so much for watching, and check out the website, nfitcarstereo.com. And if you like this video, do me a favor, give it a like. And also, if you used it, please give it a like. If you like this kind of stuff, you can subscribe to the channel. If you really want to watch us, you can hit up that, right now it's a bell, or I don't know how this stuff works. I'm not an avid YouTuber. You could do, ask for notifications, and then every single time we put up a video, it'll ask you, it'll give you a notification when we put them up. All right. So once again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Christian. If you have any questions, leave them down below. nfitcarstereo.com.